while.
It was very official, but we waited on the rings for her, so make sure. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Loki? Oh.
Yum, Lokester, what is that? Okay,
take
really
it out of
serious.
his
No,
mouth.
no. You know why? Because it probably smells like yum.
Loki,
stuff
no,
like
no.
that on it. Who was eating the crackers, Michael or you?
Crackers.
Fry.
You want them? Do you think you'll like them?
Yeah, you'll like them.
Go ahead, give him another one.
We get a mixture. We get a lot of
Probably because the cookies too.
coloring, and he's definitely got Alex's like family's lower half, and he's got like my upper half.
Honey.
That's so cute. Oh, Loki, no. No.
Michael, can you put these back in the box?
Loki,
so we
come
can
here.
go?
Eat.
He eats to the dog.
Yeah.
Those
he
are
likes
not for the
those.
dog to eat, baby.
Loki, look. Look, Loki.
You know what? You want to, Michael? Do you want to give him? Let Michael give him a biscuit, a real biscuit.
Okay.
Michael, should we put these away?
Put these away, and we'll
Here.
give the doggy a real cookie.
Go give
Okay.
him a real treat. Go with Brian. He's gonna give you a real cookie to give to the dog.
Yeah, go to Michael. Go to Brian.
Now Loki's probably really hungry.
He's probably
Watch, Michael.
Michael.
Michael, watch.
Michael. Wait, no, the real cookie, Michael.
Watch, Michael, stay here. Stay. Loki, sit. High five. Oh, he'll come back. You want to do it too?
Yeah.
Wait till he's done. Wait here. He'll come back. Like feeding the doggy? Yeah? Do you know the doggy's name? Ruff Ruff?
Yes. Ruff works.
Wait.
Okay, wait. Gotta wait till he's done. Okay. Say Loki. Say Loki. Thank you is what he says.
Aw,
Aw.
He says thank you, Michael.
you're fearless.
No.
No, you can't. Let's put these in here.